I've been exploring the Lumenate app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Lumenate app. Lumenate is a meditation and relaxation app that takes a truly unique approach by using your phone's flashlight to guide you into an altered state of consciousness. Instead of relying on traditional audio or video meditations, Lumenate emits research-backed stroboscopic light patterns that, when experienced with closed eyes, create vivid, kaleidoscopic visuals and a sensation described as being somewhere between deep meditation and a mild psychedelic experience. To use Lumenate, you simply get comfortable, point your phone's flashlight toward your closed eyes, and let the guided session begin. The app's neural entrainment technology synchronizes your brainwaves with the flashing light, helping you relax, de-stress, and even explore new perspectives on your thoughts and emotions. Many users report feeling calmer, more focused, and even more creative after sessions, with some describing the visuals as beautiful, intricate patterns that help anchor attention and quiet the mind. Additionally, Lumenate offers a range of session types, from quick explorations to longer, guided journeys focused on relaxation, emotional healing, or sleep. The experience is highly immersive, and the app has received praise for making meditation engaging, especially for those who struggle to stay focused with traditional methods. Scientifically, Lumenate is backed by EEG brain scan research and collaborations with universities, supporting its claims of inducing altered states through neural entrainment. However, some users see it more as an interesting or novel experience rather than an essential daily tool, and the intensity of the visuals can vary depending on factors like session length and how close the phone is to your eyes. Overall, Lumenate stands out for its innovative use of technology to enhance meditation, offering a fresh, visually captivating way to relax, reflect, and potentially boost your well-being. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.